Okay, here's another one. Um, this one's going to take a little bit of manipulation because remember we want this form a over 1 minus r, and in this case our r will be some function of x. Okay, some function of x. So in here, first thing you might try is I try this. I'm 1 minus 2x. Okay, that's closer. Now since it's about 2, I need this to be in this form. Oops. Oh gosh, that messed up. Okay, 3 like that, and 1 minus 2. Now I want my x to be x minus 2. Okay, so I will write it this way. That gives me the x minus 2 that I need. This needs to be a function of x. In fact, it has to look like this. Namely, it has to be an x minus 2. So I put that in here, and then I notice, well, you just can't change that because I really, negative 2 times negative 2 is actually adding a 4 to this denominator, so I'll minus a 4. Okay. Oops. So that gives me then, let's clean this up a little bit. It gives me a negative 3 minus 2, x minus 2, like that. All right, well, now that ruined the 1 here, so I'll fix it by dividing. Divide everything by negative 3, so you'll have this. Okay, and that becomes 1 over 1 plus 2/3 and x minus 2, like that. Now, you might be saying, I need a minus there. Well, you just have to view it this way. 1 over 1 minus negative 2/3, like that, with the x minus 2. So you can see in this case, from down here, that you identify the r in this geometric sum form is actually a negative 2/3 with x minus 2, like that. Okay, so we also know that since that's r, we want the absolute value of that to be less than 1. So that tells us about our interval of convergence. So we'd have to have this. Let me just write it like this. And we need to fix this up a little bit. So let's see, I'll multiply by negative 2/3. That makes this a, is that 3/2? Reverses that. Reverses this, makes this a negative 3/2, which I should flip around because now it's backwards from the number line. You're seeing positives on the left. So you'd probably be safer to write it like this at this point, which is a 3/2 over here, and then add your 2 to both of these. 3/2 plus a 2, and a negative 3/2 plus a 2. So x would be in here as a 7/2, and over here, let's see, 4 minus 3 is 1/2, right? So here's my interval of convergence now. This is the I of C. Wow, so that was a little bit of work just getting that, but we still have to write the series, which now we know from this information. We see that the A is equal to 1, and our R is what that is. So we now have this series. We've got negative 2/3. We'll just include that over here with the n, and we'll also write x minus 2 to the n. So it's nice and clean like that. You could rewrite this in a couple different ways, but this is fine for now. Sometimes people will separate that alternating term or factor from the 2/3 there, negative, but this is fine. And here's our interval of convergence up here. We can write 1/2 to 7/2 like that. That's your I of C. All right, so that was that.